welcome back to our channel. I'm Colleen and this is Our Blessed Life, and today I'm doing a Fabfitfun unboxing. So Fabfitfun is a subscription service where you can get seasonal boxes with all kinds of different products in them. I have never used Fabfitfun, so this will be my first box. This is the fall box for this year. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. I've gone ahead and cut the seam, but I haven't opened anything, so I don't know what's in here. So I'm going to go ahead and do the unboxing with you, show you what's in there, and then just kind of see what I think about it. Would I order another one? So I also have a referral code in the description box that gives you $10 off if you're interested in Fabfitfun. So that will be down in the description box below. And so let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. Okay, so I paid $39.99 for the box. I think the regular price is $49.99, but I used a referral code, which got me $10 off, and I have one of those below if you're interested in this. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the box. Okay, so it comes with a little magazine on top. It looks like it has products and things like that that you can order. Looks like it may also tell you about some of the products. Okay, and then it has, then it gives me another code. If I do the winter box, it actually gives me $15 off. It says the boxes are $200 value, so. And then it also gives me a gift card for HelloFresh to try that. And then they have it kind of taped up and wrapped up, so we'll go ahead and open that. All right, so there's a pair of earrings on top. If I can take those out and show you what those look like. Okay. And one of the things about Fabfitfun is it does include like full-size products. This is a body souffle. Ooh, that does smell good. All right, so it's a full-size lotion. The next thing in here is a scarf, and it looks like it's navy and gray, and then like an off-white. So that's cute, I like that. Okay, the next thing is a daily hair repair from Aveda Damage Remedy. That looks like a full-size product as well. And then a gourmet wood and ceramic cheese board gift set. Okay. All right, and then this is a facial toner by Skin & Co. And this is exfoliating sugar cubes. And that looks like a full size as well. Okay, and then the last thing is a body boost gel. It says menthol and green tea. At the very beginning of this, it tells me the different retail prices of these items. So I thought I would look at that. And then it says the total value is $211 to $345.99, depending on what box you got and the different combinations of things that you could get. So this juice cleanse, these were $16. This lotion was $18. These three things here were $30 each. So that was the daily hair repair, the facial toner, and then the cheese board. The earrings retailed for $34. This body boost gel retailed for $45. and then the scarf retailed for $75. So definitely these items together add up to well more than the $39.99 that I spent on the box. All right, so I hope you enjoyed my Fabfitfun unboxing. I hope it was fun for you to see the fall box. If you are interested in Fabfitfun, I do have a referral code in the description box below. I'm not sure if they still have the fall boxes. It may be for the winter box, but this was fun to check this out. Like I said, I've never ordered from them before, so it was fun to see what would be in the box, and I definitely will use some of these products. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.